Hello everyone, welcome to Neurasapiens.
In today's tutorial, we will learn how to describe a trend line for data visualization that we create in Tableau Public Desktop Edition. The data set that we'll be using today is going to be the Complete Pokemon data set. So I'm going to first drag and drop this data set into my Tableau Public Desktop session. Now that the data set has loaded, I'm going to go to my worksheet here, highlighted in orange, called Sheet 1. I'm going to drag the measure against dragon to columns, and then I'm going to drag against psychic to rows, and I'm going to then use the dimension attribute type 1. I'm going to drag that to color. So now this is showing me for each Pokemon type their total against dragon and against psychic values. I'm going to right click a data point and go to the 6th option from the top down, click on show trend line. And now that we have a trend line fitted, I can right click this trend line and click on the first option, describe trend line. And this will then show me the different metrics for the trend line, like the p-value and the equation, and also the coefficients. So there you have it. This is how you can describe a trend line for a data visualization that you have fitted a model line to in Tableau Public Desktop Edition.
If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe and click the notification bell for weekly videos. Please share the video with anyone who you think would benefit from the content and comment below what topics you would like to learn. If you would like to support this channel and have the means to do so, the best way will be via my Patreon link in the description below. Happy learning and I'll see you in the next tutorial.